Based on the information obtained from the phone is that we had concerns for the community. And so as a result, we did ask for a high bond.
A second Douglas County 16-year-old is in jail on $1 million bond, accused of conspiring to kill classmates and staff members at Mountain Vista High School. 16-year-old Brooke Higgins was in court in Douglas County today, where prosecutors charged her as an adult. Thanks for joining us today at 5. I'm Deborah Takahara.
I'm Jeremy Hubbard. Last week they filed adult charges against the other teen in this case, Sienna Johnson, and in court today we learned more about the girl's alleged attack plot. Fox 31 Denver's Julie Hayden joining us live with these new developments. Julie.
Well, Jeremy, the judge set that unusually high bond, $1 million for both cases, after the prosecutors argued the teens were and still are a danger to the community. Prosecutors say 16-year-old Sienna Johnson and Brooke Higgins had formed a violent bond and conspired to commit mass murder at their high school just before Christmas. That Johnson texted, quote, "We are going to turn this school into an expletive nightmare."
Investigation leads us to believe that there is a connection between the two. Certainly, the charge requires an agreement between the two of them in order to charge the case.
But Higgins' defense attorneys argue their client barely knew the other teen.
They are distinguished. Those are very different personalities, different characters, very loosely associated at best.
And they say the case against Higgins is based on things she wrote but never acted on.
This is a therapeutic journal. There have been no concerning bombs, weapons, or any other type of materials found in her home. There is no mention of any type of plot in her writings.
However, in court today, prosecutors say Higgins did take steps, including researching female mass shooters online and ways for a teenager to buy a gun.
There was reference on the record about information obtained for the phone with regard to researching Columbine.
Higgins' attorney says while some of the talk may be concerning, it is just that, talk. Now, defense attorneys in both cases want the cases transferred back to the juvenile court. The penalties, the possible penalties, that is, are much less severe there, and there is an emphasis on treatment. The judge will determine that at hearings, one set for next week, the other in March. Julie Hayden, Fox 31 Denver.
All right, thanks, Julie.